There we are. What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. What is up? The market is up. That's one for sure. Dwayne, good morning. Mark, Martin, Young, the Beast. What's up? Keshra, what's going on? It's going to be an interesting day today. We got the SPY making a nice little bounce back here, but right into the face of that resistance line from 395. So it's going to be interesting to see if it can get up and over it. I don't know that it can, but if it can, then we'll definitely be playing it to the long side. So definitely interesting to watch it kind of develop here. Neuro continuation. And this thing has had a tremendous lack of volume. If you really look at it yesterday, it did a good job of basically digesting that gap up and then giving you a little power hour move here out of nowhere. Good little extension there to 6. It's held up well. It's got to hold above that line right there. If it can hold above those 480s, it could have a shot. It could have a shot at continuation, but it has to hold 480. That'd be the level to watch on that one. So we'll see. I'll definitely throw it up on the list. First small cap that might give continuation in a very long time. Alright guys, do me a quick favor here. Throw up any tickers you want me to take a look at for you. I'm going to go ahead and put out a couple of posts, let everybody know we're live. Especially on Fridays. We usually don't do lives on Fridays, but wanted to do one today and test it out. So any questions you have or any tickers you want me to take a look at for you, go ahead and put them up there in chat. All right. Oh, one more post. Hey, good morning. Francisco, good morning. What's going on? Marshall, what's up? What's up? So Neuro, I'll put it on the watch list here. Watching for 480 area to hold. Support could have room back towards 575. Grab. There was this key level we talked about grab the other day right here at this 320 area, remember? I think it was yesterday we talked about it. If that level can start to become some support, then we could see this one make a little move here as well. Back up here towards those 4s. So we're starting to see these smallies start to hold up a little bit better. That's a good sign. We haven't seen that in a long time. Grab watching the 320 area for support. Could have room towards $4. Man, it's been so long since we've seen small caps actually make a move and then hold it. That has been quite a while. PANW. Oh, Palo Alto. Yeah, this thing's made a huge move here. Big gap up on this one. You know, I don't know how much more it could have in it, to be honest. Especially with the 200-day moving average right there. I mean, it's still got room to run. It still has some room to run, that's for sure. I mean, I'd watch to see if it can get towards 510. You could see here, previous support zone, 200-day moving average level, give or take, previous resistance right there. I'd definitely watch that level, previous support back here. That'd be a level to watch for possible resistance. Nice, Martin, congrats. Glad you made some profits there. And then the SPY right back into those 395s. NIO. I mean, NIO, we've had this line drawn here forever. I would talk about these 18s. You got the 50-day moving average, and then you have previous support right there at these levels. I think we went over this one yesterday. That's the key level on NIO. So that would be the key level I'd watch on NIO, but I mean, I'd expect that to be some sort of resistance. But if the overall market today is very strong and rallies, it could just suck up a lot of stocks with it. So you got to keep eyes on that as well. A lot of these resistance zones that might be good shorts could get broken today, at least temporarily. The Q's also right back up into the face of this 296 area. Let's take a quick look here at some news. U.S. stock futures bounced early on Friday, cutting into losses from earlier in the week that have sent the S&P 500 to the cusp of bear market and the Dow Jones Industrial Average on pace for its eighth negative week in a row. Futures tied to the Dow bounced 272 points. The S&P 500 futures traded about 1.1% higher. The NASDAQ 100 futures gained 1.5%. Futures may have gotten a boost after China overnight cut a key benchmark rate for mortgages. As COVID shutdown hit the economy, rates increased from the Federal Reserve and central banks around the world to fight inflation have been the main culprit behind the 2-month stock market slide. China's Shanghai Composite Index rose 1.6% following the move. So that's part of what we're seeing here. Good morning, Brent the King. Wait, definitely the wrong name. or is that a ticker? I don't think it's gonna be that ticker. All right. Any questions or any other tickers you guys want me to take a look at for you before we jump into some of the scans? If not, we'll go ahead and jump into those scans and get to work there. Remember, guys, you don't have 2 weeks anymore, but basically almost a 1-week trial left on trade ideas. Links there in the chat section. No raffle today, but maybe we'll definitely be doing one either Monday or Tuesday of next week. AMC is up over that $13 range. You want to see now that area possibly become support. If it can become some support, AMC could have some room here back towards 16 bucks. So you could see a little bounce here. If the overall market bounces today, you could see this thing start to make that kind of a move. You got a little bit of a weird, ugly-ish reverse head and shoulders pattern going on here. Here's your neckline. So that's definitely something to keep on watch. Gresgorgs, what's up? Good morning, Ernesto. All right, guys, so we have just the two names so far on the watch list. Of course, we'll be going over the SPY, Tesla. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. AMD. A lot of these stocks are at major resistance levels. Trading with Tito, good morning. A lot of these stocks are at major resistance levels right now, especially one like AMD. AMD has not been able to get up over that 50-day moving average ever since we had that death cross. Had the death cross, 50-day resistance, and then here recently 50-day resistance. So it will be interesting to see what kind of action it gives us today. The King says, have you tried flipping storage units? U-Haul in town has some available. That's pretty cool, man. You know, years and years and years ago, I'm talking about, I don't know, 10 or 12 years ago, I went to a storage unit auction, and it was just like you see in those TV shows. They'd pop open the door, bunch of stuff there, and you can just look at it from afar. You cannot enter the unit, and they start the bidding. No bids, didn't do anything, just was watching. Took cash, had cash in my hand, had about $3,000, but no bids. And this is about probably 10, 12 years ago, something like that. So, fun fact there. Jesse Storage Wars, Taylor. You'll do a YouTube channel on it, huh? Maybe we'll get more subs. What are we up to, guys? 14.3 thousand subs. What do we got to do to get this thing to 20, man? Man, ever since I got it to 10,000 subs like this. Like this. YouTube was loving me. And then I broke over 10,000 subs and I thought to myself, you know what? Now this thing's just going to explode. And I swear to you, I've been stuck here. Well, not at 14, but I've been stuck between that range since like, I don't know, man, 2 years now. I think I've been doing YouTube now for like 4 years. That's pretty extreme considering that the growth slowed down. Gotta start reevaluating my life. Maybe I should just trade and forget about YouTube. What do you guys think? I think some of you guys wouldn't be too happy with that. Jerry, it was fun to go to it. I just don't have the time to do that now. I wish. That kind of be fun. Maybe when I retire, right? All right. So we got the grab, we got the neuro. Let's go take a look at the SPY. Today's stream might end a little bit early. SPY, it's $3.95. YouTube is for fun. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. It's fun doing the live streams with you guys because I get to interact and stuff. I haven't done a video like in 3 weeks, like a regular video. I don't even know if I want to do those anymore, to be honest. I think I might just continue sticking to the lives. So the SPY is at 395 level. So watching the 395 area, if it breaks and becomes support, could have a run towards 405. But if 395 holds resistance again, expecting a drop down towards 389. Is that yesterday's lows? What's yesterday's lows? Yesterday's lows are actually 387. So we'll go 388 area. Taylor says you just need to add a fancy gaming chair and headset. It looks like you're in the gaming channel and gets... I have a gaming chair. This is literally the Logitech. I forgot the brand. This crap costs $1,500. Look, I'll show you what gaming chair I have. The Herman Miller. I have this gaming chair. Boom. That is literally what I am sitting on. I can't believe it's $1,800. Maybe I should just sell it. I cannot believe it went up in price more. This is the chair I have. Why? Because my back is jacked up and I wanted to, you know, I got tired of going through chairs every year, and I wanted something really good. So this is my chair. This is what I trade on. This is what I do my YouTube on. That chair. I like it a lot. It was totally worth it. Gaming channel and gets an extra 1 million subs overnight. Maybe some pink hair. I think the pink hair would do it. The LED lights are back there. I think I just need to paint. Look, see? You can see them. They're back there. They've been back there forever. I've just been blocking them lately, I guess. I don't know. I gotta change my camera angle again. The LED lights have been back there. You know what? We'll just put the camera a little bit lower. Watch. Can you see the, can you see them now? Which way do I gotta move? There we go. There we go. LED lights. I think I just gotta paint the back wall not green. I painted it green for money. Have you been to Cuba? Had some neighbors who went 3 years ago. No, I've never been. Never been. Oh, I need, it's a real chair. I need one just for show. Got it. Look, I got all the toys, man. I got the awesome chair. I got the, watch, the Yeti Blue. All right. We got the ring light. I have another light over here. I just haven't figured out a good way to set it up. I got that camera. When I was doing the videos, we were doing them on this camera. All right. So I just don't know what YouTube wants anymore, man. I don't know what YouTube wants anymore. A runway. All right, so we got Grab Neuro Spy. Let's check in on NVIDIA. NVIDIA has not been able to get up over 180 and hold. That's a key zone for NVIDIA. NVIDIA watching the 180, if it can break and hold support, could have room towards 190. Yeah, about 190. 190 area. Not one that I'd be focused on a lot today. AMD, on the other hand, man, that 50-day holding strong. This is that neckline from that old head and shoulders pattern. I have to watch that level to see if it can continue to hold resistance on AMD. AMD watching the $100 area for resistance, could fade down towards 92, especially if the overall market drops. Guys, Roblox, one to watch over 35. If Roblox can get up over 35 and hold, you have room there towards 38, 39. Roblox watching the $35 area. If it can become support, could have room towards 38, 39. I think we got a good watch list going. Taylor, it's not working, so anybody that follows it, it's just gonna it's not gonna work. They can buy the camera. Look, here's the camera model. Oh, well, or the brand. My mic that I use when I use this camera, those Rode wireless mics are awesome. They can copy my set. It's not gonna work. All right, so we got Grab, Neuro, Spy, NVIDIA, AMD, Roblox. I think that's a really good watch list. I think my main focus today will be Roblox, Spy, and then I'm gonna keep an eye on Neuro and Grab. They actually moved. They didn't move very clean yesterday at all, but they did something that we have not seen small caps do in a while. We really haven't seen small caps at all have any sort of holding of the gap up, much less continuation the next day. So even if I don't trade him, I'm going to keep a close eye on him because it could be like the beginning of maybe small caps starting to heat up just a little bit again. Like Neuro had that big gap up, it held well, made a power hour move, and then held support above this high, which is key. That's a key, that's a sign of strength. And Grab actually made, a very large move, and so far has held up fairly well. I like Neuro the best from the two, but I'm definitely going to keep them both on watch. So I think I'll keep the watch list like that, unless you guys have any other tickers you want me to take a look at for you. Otherwise, I'll just leave the watch list like this and put the final touches on it and send it over to Jonal so he can get it sent out to you guys in an email. Guys, there's some changes that are going to be coming to the Day Trader chat room. And it's changes that members will like. 2 weeks for free will remain that way, but there will be some changes, I don't know, inside of the room that are going to be for the benefit of members. So DTC Lite, DTC Pro members. So if you want to join in DTC Lite, 2 weeks for free right there. I talked to Jonal yesterday, and we came up with a plan on when these changes were going to take place. I don't remember when they are. I'm going to have to ask him what we came up with. I think most of these changes are going to start happening here, I think in June. But like I said, they're going to be for the benefit of members. Of DTC Lite and DTC Pro members. All right, so if you want to sign up, there's the link in chat for that. And then DTC Pro, $50 off, ends today. $50 off DTC Pro ends today. DTC Pro gets you access to everything. Everything DTC Lite gets, plus all of this, which is all the courses right there. Hundreds of videos in the video lesson library. And then, of course, you have all of these other resources here and here where you can go through a lot of other study material that we have in here. Whoa, my mouse went crazy. All right. There's a lot more study materials within here. Jonal doesn't know? He probably doesn't. I'll have to look through the notes. How come Microsoft doesn't get the love that Apple gets? I mean, the charts look almost identical. Look at Apple's chart. Look at Microsoft's chart. I don't see the problem. Jerry, he needs to leave wherever he's at. I think today's his last day there. Yeah, I think today's his last day there in those mountains, wherever he's hiding today or this week. He just posted up the scanners in the live stream. I see that. Yeah, I think it is his last day. It's his last day there and here. For sure, for sure. All right, guys. Any last minute questions or any last minute tickers you want me to bring up on the screen for you? Otherwise, we might end the stream today in the morning a little bit early. I don't usually stream on Fridays. And then we'll go back Monday's regular stream at 8:15 as usual. 8:15 to 9. And on Monday, we will be doing a raffle. Free chat Monday. That's right, Jerry. Let me get the link for that, guys. Here you go, guys. If you want to join us on Monday for Free Chat Monday, bam. Sign up there. And you can join us on Monday. Also, if you want to join the Discord for free, the free section is right there as well. Yeah, special day. I figured yesterday, I was like, you know what? I'll throw up a stream on Friday just for the heck of it. I don't normally stream on Fridays. I usually just chill, sleep in a little bit, stay in bed a little bit longer, and just watch stuff from my phone. But I was like, you know what? Tomorrow, guys, I'll do a stream. Why not? IMMX. Did this thing just get a piece of news out? Because that pop like that isn't your normal pop. I don't see any news on this thing right now. At least it hasn't come across the wire here. It already got up here and tested in main resistance zone. You can see here previous resistance, previous support. You'd expect that level to now become, resistance. So if I were to look for support after a test of that, I'd probably want to see at least that $2 zone hold. Previous resistance here. And previous strong support right in here. You also have some previous resistance in there. So that'd be the level I would watch on that one, on IMMX. I'd also be looking out for news to see what's happening here, because that kind of pop isn't just your standard stuff. That doesn't just happen. Either there's some news there or some sort of social media pump. Guys, I'm going to set up the stream for Monday already. That way, we could do something here. Watch. Because I know sometimes you'll go to YouTube and on the homepage, I won't show up when I'm live. And you'll be like, oh, maybe Jesse's not live today. You'd have to maybe physically go to my channel to see if I'm live. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set up Monday's stream right now. I'm going to give you the link so you can go click it Just give it a thumbs up and then click the set reminder. You'll click the set reminder tab and bang. Lift, I'll check that one out for you. We got 29 watching. Taylor says we got 29 watching and 18 likes. Hit that like button for the algo and an angel gets his wings. Thanks, Taylor. Yeah, guys, we got 30 people watching and we only got 19 likes. Help me out with that. Here is Monday's stream. Click the link and then hit like button and set reminder. There you go. So lift. Oh, here, I'll show you. So that link I just gave you, you go to that right now, and you see down here, it says set reminder. First, hit thumbs up, then click set reminder, reminder's on, and that way you'll know, and that'll be Monday, May 23rd at 8:15 a.m. So lift. Let's go ahead and take a look at lift. There's not a whole lot going on here with lift at all. At all. And look, this is previous major support at 2130s. We haven't even gotten up in there to test that level. And if anything, we've just been establishing a bear flag formation here for a while now. So I keep an eye on that bear flag. I would definitely keep an eye on that bear flag. Yeah, exactly. We also have a little bit of a trading channel there. We're in the middle of it. And it's very light volume. There's not a whole lot going on with lift. Like at all. So that's what I would watch for on lift, guys. That's definitely what I would keep an eye on. And you know what? I'm just going to put it on the watch list as a back burner just to watch that bear flag. So back burner, lift, watching bear flag. There we go. All right, so grab Neural Spy, NVIDIA, AMD, Roblox, and then lift is just in the back burner there to watch it. I'll probably, if I remember to look it up, I'll put it on the weekly watch list when we do the new weekly watch list. Here was this week's watch list. Well, weekly anyways. We had Roblox, watching the 35 area, Spy, AMD, VERU. These were on the weekly watch list. Previous week's watch list is always there as well. Today's watch list isn't up, of course. Not yet. It will be in a little bit. Wait a second. What do we got here? Breaking news. Oh. Nah, it's just Foot Locker, Deere, DoorDash, some of the stocks making moves. All right, so that's what we got. I think that's what I'm going to send, how I'm going to send the list out. Bull flag? What bull flag? What bull flag, the king? Did I miss something? Somebody post a ticker? All right, guys. So I'm going to put the final touches on the watch list here. I'll get it sent over to Jonal so he can send it out to an email, to you guys in an email. If you are new and are not a part of the watch list, you can sign up for it on this link if you like. That way you can get the daily and the weekly watch list. And that's it, guys. You know, that's it. We'll go ahead today, try to trade. Yesterday, red day for me. Started off the day green with the overnight swing trade on the SPY puts. Then it went after puts a couple more times and just ended up giving it all back yesterday. So I was a little upset with myself yesterday. I should have thought a little bit better more that we would have had a consolidation day. But, you know, these days we don't have that much. You know, usually we'll have Usually you have those big moves either up or down and you'll have a consolidation day. But lately with the SPY, we've just had continuation the following day. We've had like chop in the early morning session and then the mid-morning session, bang, clear direction. But yesterday in the SPY, we didn't get that at all. Yesterday, we did not get that at all. There is your SPY yesterday. Just chop all over the place. We had the gap down, push up, rejection, bang, back up, rejection, back up, rejection, back up, rejection. Just super, super choppy. And right now, once again, testing that 395 area, which is going to be a key level for the SPY. Previous support, resistance, resistance. Honestly, I'd like to see it hold that and give us a crack of 383 in the coming days. That's what I'd like to see. We'll see what happens. All right. Good luck out there. Stay safe. Any questions? Don't hesitate. You can swing by the Discord. Remember, free chat Monday, or you can just swing by the free section of the Discord right here and ask. We'll be happy to help you. All right. If not, have yourself a great weekend, and I'll see you all Monday morning at 8:15 a.m. here on the live stream. All right, guys. Take it easy. See you later.